Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your voice chat on Roblox. Now, when you're in the home page, click on the settings on the upper right corner. Once you're in the settings, you might see your account info and your personal info. Now, enabling a voice chat, make sure that your account is age verified. Now, age verified accounts should be 13 years and older. Now, if you don't see this age verified button in your account settings, you might verify your account by taking a photo of your ID. So after that, you may go to privacy, beta features, and click on enable voice chat and click enable. And that's it. You have successfully enabled your voice chat. You are able to enjoy playing your games on Roblox with your friends. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification button